Okay, I'm going to record how to bake bread. First make the dough. Also feed the starter. So first of all, I need 200 milligrams of starter in order to bake the bread. So I get a bowl. I put it on my scale. I zero out the scale, and then I put out 200 milligrams of starter into my bowl. Okay, that's the first thing I do to make sure that I have the exact amount that I need, and then I'll use some additional starter you'll see in a minute to produce my next batch of starter for my next batch of bread. It doesn't have to be exactly 200, although because I am so anal, I generally get pretty darn close. There we go, 200. Okay, so I'll put that aside. That's where we're going to go make the bread. The next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to put starter into this measuring cup. Again, I zero out the scale. And the way you feed the starter is you put the exact same amount of starter, of flour, and water, and put that in the refrigerator. And that's how you feed the starter. And you do that about every week. So let's see. I generally feed 200 milligrams or 200 grams of starter. And so then I put another 200 of water, 200 of flour, and making a total of 600 grams of starter that's left in the refrigerator. This time I'm going to do a little bit more because I'm going to be giving some of the starter to my brother and to Joe. So let's see. How much starter we end up with here. I know this isn't the exciting part of the video. Let's see how much I got here. I'd like to try to get to 300, I think. Then I can make 900 grams of starter. And have plenty to give to, actually over 300 here. Okay, so let's see. This is 317 grams of starter. So I'm going to put that, put the jar aside here. Okay, I put this to the side, and now I'm going to measure out 309. Let me just make sure I got the number right. 317. So 317 grams of starter. That means I need 317 grams of water. Measure that out. This did not zero out, so let me try it again. There we go. More than I need. Okay, so that's 317 grams of water. Now, what I do here then is I heat this up to about 106 degrees. And the reason I do that is because the hotter water creates a better reaction with the starter in order to have it grow as I'm going through the feeding process. I also do the same when I'm making my bread. So 317 degrees of, 317 grams of water, and now I'm going to put this into the oven, into the microwave oven, and warm it up. And Then in addition to that, might as well measure out. I need to measure out 317 grams of flour. That's also going to be part of this mixture to feed the starter. Again, we're still feeding, working on feeding the starter here. So, we'll work aside. Water, and I have my flour to feed the starter. Hold on, I'm going to go heat this up, and then I'll start the next video after I've heated it up.